What should you know about dynasty trusts in New Jersey? Dynasty trusts represent one of the most powerful tools for preserving family wealth across multiple generations while avoiding devastating federal transfer taxes. Unlike traditional trusts that terminate after a set period, a dynasty trust can last indefinitely under New Jersey law because the state repealed the rule against perpetuities in 1999. These irrevocable trusts are designed to transfer wealth across multiple generations while avoiding federal estate, gift, and generation skipping transfer taxes at each generational level. The primary advantage lies in the fact that trust assets are removed from each beneficiary's taxable estate, avoiding the 40% federal transfer tax rate as wealth moves down the family line. For 2026, each individual can transfer up to $15 million into a dynasty trust using their lifetime exemption, while married couples can transfer up to $30 million combined. Dynasty trusts also provide substantial asset protection benefits, since the beneficiaries do not own the trust property directly, shielding assets from creditors and divorce claims. The grantor creates the trust by transferring assets and establishing rules for management and distribution, but once funded, the trust becomes permanently irrevocable. A professional trustee typically manages trust assets and distributes income or principal according to the original terms, providing consistency as the trust moves from one generation to the next. Because the trust, rather than the beneficiaries, owns the assets, the wealth is not included in each beneficiary's taxable estate when they pass away. As trust assets appreciate over time, that growth also stays outside each generation's estate, compounding the tax savings across decades. However, dynasty trusts are complex instruments that require careful planning, since mistakes in the drafting stage are difficult or impossible to correct later. The irrevocable nature means the grantor gives up control of the assets permanently, making thorough planning and experienced legal guidance essential before funding the trust. An experienced attorney can help families structure distributions, select appropriate trustees, and coordinate dynasty trusts with broader estate planning strategies. For New Jersey families looking to build legacies that benefit children, grandchildren, and generations beyond, dynasty trusts offer unparalleled tax advantages and asset protection. Contact the Matus Law Group at 732-785-4453, located at 125 Half Mile RD 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey 07701, to discuss whether a dynasty trust fits your family's wealth preservation goals.